By the way, you're in Voice of American territory right now.
Yes, sir. Are you ready?
On this, the flag should pass directly to the pole on the end. What happened was this boulder on the side. The guy there.
Mr. Brett, how the heck are you, man?
Man, doing great. How are you?
Better than I deserve. Have you found anything you can't live without so far?
No. I got it the other day. Okay. Finally got these. Just not the one Jim said.
Yeah, just not the one that Jim.
Yeah.
That's a sore subject for Mr. Brett here. Anything else you're looking for besides the ATOS you got?
Well, I happened to get a tri-mag mount that I've been kind of interested in having just in the meeting because I got a 2-meter antenna, but a regular mag mount ain't going to hold it. Yeah, I can mount it, but I don't want to mount it because it's big.
Well, yeah.
And I drive an SUV. So, anyway, T.O. was that one down on the table and I was like, hey, dude.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so I snagged that up.
Is the table still set up over there, or are they done with it?
No, it's still over set up, and they're live as we speak.
Okay. So, I'll swing over there and harass this for a minute, see if they have anything I can't live without.
Heck yeah.
Cool, man. We'll see you around.
All right, see you, Carl.
I always find the Furby.
Can you go to Kick and Bar? Boys are both on there. Kick and Bar, they keep stealing mine. I did the See you, man.
Was there a requirement that you had to be a novice? I thought I had
Those things, actually, I have better luck picking up stuff.
That's like
Because I called in and talked to a couple of guys that gone under the wings. One guy said,
Should have brought that bag back in.
yeah, just like radio. Absolutely. I must have to die.
What is the, is it a multi-band?
I'm just talking like I had bought a setup.
yeah, their community's website is needed, and I think they could be
Look at that traffic. Is it fun traffic?
Want me to carry? You're carrying.
Oh yeah, the losses are nothing.
I used to work at hotels, and the guy said, we put up all this stuff for these hammers that you'll do in power and relax things. It's real, it's wrong. But, you know, he off the
Small world, a ton of fun. Technology is just so good. Oh, okay, you're just a kid. Yeah.
So everything's
Oh, I know. Even when I got my degree in '89, things have changed so much. You know, but at least we covered integrated circuits. You know, but they had one day on Tuesday. One day.
Oh, believe it or not. Believe it or not. So, we're going this.
they do like straight up. You guys want to sign up for the giveaway? You did for the X. 1268. Midwest.
Miami something that's a bit more. So we did those three in separate parts. When you set up the season 3, Oslo,